Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning our SQLite database management in our PHP environment. Previously, we have seen how to display the data or rows of data in a page. Now, in that way, if suppose there are hundreds of records or thousands of records, it is not proper to display or dump all the rows to the user, and user will be scrolling. So what you can do is you can break the records in number of rows, say 10 records per page, and give the navigational link to the user, so user can navigate to next 10 record or previous 10 record, or in between it can navigate to 7th page. So 70 to 80, say 100 records are there distributed in 10 pages with 10 records per page. Now user can navigate to 7th record, 7th page, or it can come down to 2nd page also. So all the navigational links also we have to provide. Now giving these things, we will develop a script. So using our SQLite and in a PHP environment. So here what we will do is we will call it as paging, and we will learn how we will develop this with the breaking of the records, and it is efficient also because we need not handle 100 records from the database, and we can just bring what is required, 10 records only from different locations. So that part we will learn. But before we move, friends, please request you to please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. Visit this URL. This URL is available in the description. So here you can see that the entire first part is here is the demo, and the entire code is explained below different parts, and at the part 2 you can see the parameterized query is there. So how the query, if you want some data to be passed based on the user input, so that also is explained here, everything, and all the details are there, so you can download or copy the entire source code and use it. Now let's see the demo here. Here it is the same student table, just here the 5 records per page are used. So I am in the 3rd page, so 5, so it is from the 11th record to 15 it has gone. Now I have a navigational link here, next and previous. So you can see this next and previous, and this entire links whatever is generated, these are generated dynamically based on whatever the number of rows I select. Say if I change the setting to 10, say 10 records per page, then what will happen, these pages will sync to 4 because I have 35 records, so up to 4 pages only. And this previous I can only navigate as long as I am not in the first page. Say I am just coming there, I am in the first page. Now you can see there is no previous record here. Now let's say 7th record I am going. So you can see when I am in 7th record there is no next, because I am at the end of the record. So 35 records are displayed, so there is no next. So I can similarly, or in between I can navigate to any other record also. So I am in the 3rd page. So here you can see in the 3rd page I have both previous and next. I can browse to any page in this, and these links whatever at the footer you can see, and these 3 shows that I am in the 3rd page. So this is highlighted, so I can navigate to anywhere, and at a time it fetches 5 records from the database. Next, if I click the page based on that page number, and you can just, I will tell you to watch this query string. This gives me a value start equal to 10. So start 10 means starts from the 10th. So up to 10 record is over. So start 10 means it's a 0 based. So 11th record onwards it comes here. So 11 to 15. So it tells, this gives me. Now if I'll go to the next page, what's the start? Start will increase by 5. So let me just go to the next page. What's this? Here you can see start is now 15. You can see here. So from 15 onwards the records are displayed here. So previous, next, and all the bottom navigation, everything is generated dynamically, and the entire code is there for you to copy it and experiment in your system. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and you can entire script, you can download it and experiment with that. We'll try to develop the videos on this so you can wherever you can take use of it. But the code is very simple and everything is also explained. So if you still have any doubts, suggestion, or any questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.